Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So recently Facebook dropped their own video editing app, and trust me, this is a game-changing one for content creators. So we have some features that CapCut has converted to Pro, which some content creator cannot really access. They can't have access to that feature anymore because they cannot afford their Pro version. So Facebook has showed up now, giving some of those features for free on their video editing app. And I believe it's something you really want to explore. So in this video, I will walk you through on how to get started with this particular app. So the app is called Edit. So all you just have to do is to go and install and download that app from your Play Store if you're making use of what Android. And if you're using iPhone, go to your Apple Store. It is free. Download the app and you get to log in with your Instagram. That being said, if this is your first time checking into my YouTube channel, then trust me, this is a place you really need to be. Like anytime you want to watch video on video editing, content creating, I make videos on that regard. So hit the subscribe button, encourage me, drop a comment in the comment section below, and also like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people. And let's get started with the tutorial now. Alright, so make sure you've installed this app on your device, whether iPhone, whether Android. Okay, so once you open it for the very first time, you'll be asked to sign up, or you'll be asked to log in with your Instagram account. So this app, it's made by Facebook. Okay, I've told you already. So what you just have to do, I want to show you how this app functions. So I'll pick a video, then I'll go through this app for you. So in order to import a video, come to this plus, click on this plus here, on this plus, then pick the video, any video of your choice. So I'm going to pick a particular video. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick this one. So click on add. Alright, so when you pick a video, it brings in the video for you. So let me just quickly show you what and how this app works. So this place here is the audio sound. This audio sound is where you get to you get to bring in, like I said, it is owned by Facebook, and Facebook owns Instagram. You get it now. So this app, you could see that is working more like a kind of like TikTok, whereby you can bring in songs from from online and the rest. So as it is here, these are people's songs that you can put on your background. Put people's song on your background. Now these are people different Instagram accounts, because you have logged in. You see it now. That's why I say you must log in with Instagram accounts. So you can even come here and watch people's accounts video, but that's not why we are here. So that's for that. The next one is test, how to add text. You want to add text. Let's say, for example, I want to say thank you. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to after saying, you see, then if you want to increase it, you just have to tap on the thank you on the screen and your two hands and increase it. So in order for you to see it, where there is this arrow here, click on it. So it shows you this. Then tap on the thank you and increase it to the level or to the size you want it to be. Okay, so that's for that. Then click on the this edit here to go back to that part. So that's for that. Then if you want to edit the text, you just have to tap on that edit. You see, once you tap on the video clip or the text layer, it's going to give you a yellow border. That means that's what you're working on. So once you tap there, you see a particular function will be open for you. See, click and you see you'll be given edit, text to speech, duplicate, delete, split. So that's for that. Split is when you want to you want to cut the, let's say for example you want to cut it now. So you have this one separate and this one separate. So let's undo that. Alright, so that's for that. The next one here is come to this place. What are you having here? You're seeing voice. You see voice here. This is voice, like you want to add a voiceover. Okay, you can do this. Once you tap on this red now, you start talking, recording your voice. So the next one here is caption. You want to add a caption. This app does a very wonderful work when it comes to caption. Trust me. I've used it, I've been using it, and the caption has been delivering. So the next one here, click on caption. Now you see we generate it for you immediately, but it is based on how lengthy your video is. So you can see this video already. Look at the captions, you can see. And if you want to work on the caption, you want to tweak it, so just click on this edit down here. Then you can change the font of the caption, you can change the color. Okay, you can change the color to this, to red. Okay, you can see the color has been changed to purple. You see it now, so it's working. The next one here is layer. What is layer? Everybody knows as an editor, you need to understand that layer has to do with, bringing, when you want to bring a video on top of a video. Now it is not just only video, both video, both text, video and text, word, picture, anything you want to bring on top of a video clip, that thing is called a layer. So if I click on it now, I want to bring something on top, a video clip or a picture on top this video I have already. Tap on it, it will open up your gallery. So I want to bring a video in now, so let me bring one video in. I'm going to bring this one in. Sorry, I'm going to bring this one in. Okay, I'm going to bring this picture in. I think the network. Now you can see it now. This one we just brought in now, you can see it. This is it here. You see it now, the one yellow border. So you see it now, so it's already on the video. That's what layer is. Let's say you are talking about something, or you are advertising a particular product. So you just, while you are talking about it, you want that product to be shown on the screen so that people can see it. That's what this thing is meant for. So that's for that. And delete. So the next one here is sound effects. Sound effects has to do with, sometimes when you do transitions, you want to hear some kind of sound. Listen to this now. So there are different types. So you must have been hearing, watching some comedy where you hear sounds like that. This is where you get all those kind of things. You get it now. Child crying, effects of child crying, all those blah blah, those different type of sound. So we'll delete that now. Move to the next one. This one has to do with cutout. This is, you want to edit, like remove your background. Now I think I'm going to make a video separately for that, because I found out that a lot of people are really doing it in the wrong way, and some people are saying it is not working for them. It is not working reason because you are not doing it in the right way. There are certain things that are being considered when you talk about, when we talk about these cutouts. Some things are being considered. I need to make a dedicated video for that separately. So, but just know that this cutout is how to remove your video background. Maybe you shot a video in a place that is not too fine, is not too beautiful, so you just want to change that background. You get it now, so you get to remove it, or you want to put something else in the background while you are talking. You want that thing should be what displaying from the background. That's what it's also meant for. The next one here is what? Sticker. We all know sticker now from our WhatsApp, all those kind of things. So when you have something like this, you can, why you are making your video, you want to post things like this. I guess you can, you could search for the ones you want. Maybe you need to type them or something. You see it now. So meanwhile, this app also, if you want to be on this app, you must make sure that your internet connection is connected. Make sure you are connected to the internet, because the resources are online. So you get to connect in order for you to have access to all these resources. So you get to see different stickers. I hope this is very clear. So that is for that. Now let us see how we want to go deeper. Now for example, now let's say I am working on, I've been able to show you all these things here. The app is not too broad. That's one of the things I love it for. It is good for starters who want to, like people who are just getting started with video editing. You want to like edit little thing your video. This app is really good for that, because you don't get to bulk you with different functions that will really confuse you. So I'll click on these features now. Now let's say for example, now I want to work on the video clip itself. I'll click on this video clip. It's already showing yellow border, right? So I want to increase the volume. This is the volume, it's already increased. So I want to split. Let's say there is a part of the video I did not really want it to be part of the video I want to edit, like maybe I made a mistake or say something I'm not supposed to say. Then you can use split, divide the video. Then let's see that particular part of what I want to split is around here. So okay, so this line you see here is called your playhead. Anywhere you see that line, that's where the video is starting from. If you want to split anywhere that line is, this white line, that's where you get to, you know that splitting will take place. Okay, so let me undo it again so you can see it. I'll click on it now. I'll say, let me move this to this place. Now you see it now, split. You see where the thing divided the video into two. So this video has been divided into two, so I can just move. You see it now. So just click on it. It will show you, just long press, it will show you that this video imported has been split into two. They are not two separate clips. So that's for that. Now I want to undo. You want to undo everything you have been doing. So I want to undo everything I've been doing. So just click on this undo. You will see this thing here. That's undo. So the next one, I click on it. So you have what we call the speed. Okay, the speed. The speed here is just to increase the speed of your volume. Your video, not volume. To increase the speed of your video. Maybe you are talking slowly and you want to speed it up, increase it, or you are too fast, you want to bring it down. So you have the bringing down and the increasing, bringing down, bringing up. So that's for that. Once you choose the one that suits you best, you click on this okay here. So that's for that. Then you have the adjust. This adjust has to do with color correction. You want to put some color grading, color correction. I think I really need to work on this, this aspect when it comes to color correction. Not in this video, please note that I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just making you this video to introduce you to the apps, the functions of the apps, so you can at least get started using them. So but I will make another dedicated video for this particular purpose, because this is a whole lot. So the next one here, but just know that adjust has to do with, you want to give your video some color. When you watch video, you notice that this video is really having a very good color, like it has a, the raw video and before and after. When you check the after, you see some kind of, you notice that the video is looking very good and attractive. That's what that adjust does. It gives your video color, you mix color. So all those things, there are certain things to consider. If you have not been doing it before, you'll be confused. You use it so extreme, you will use it so extreme, you'll be confused. You don't even know at what length to do it. That's why I said I'm going to add, like, it's going to be a video, dedicated video separately. That's what that. So this one here is to delete. Let's see, I split this video now. So this part I want to delete it, so I will click on this delete here. So it is gone. You see it now. So I will undo that now. Come back to the next one here. I'll click on this. The next one here we have filter. This filter, you see now, we want to add filter. Let's look at something like
in this video. I will be showing you
so once you add the filter,
it is everywhere that.
So you increase
in this video, I will be showing you
increase, decrease your filter. Okay, so that's for that. So now please take note of something. There's something I saw here. Filter. Come back to this. Look at this place. Called apply filter to all clips. Now your clips have been, you've already splitted your video, you've cut. So if you want to apply that filter to all the video clips, so you have to click on this apply filter to all video. Okay, that means it's going to be affected. It's going to be applied rather to all video clip. You can see different filters you can use. So guys, do well to explore the app, and I will be making dedicated video for like each and every of these functions, so that you can understand them better. This video is just meant to introduce you to the function of this app. So next one here is green screen. What is green screen? This has to do with now this green screen has to do with, now you can see me, has to do with you having a particular, this is me, your video is now your green screen. Okay, so that's for that. So that's for that. We have the effect. This effect has to do with, you are coming up with zoom effect.
In this video, I will be showing you alternative to CapCut.
Blah blah blah. Watch now, see what happens. So watch now, see what happens now.
CapCut. In this video, I will be showing.
You can see how that thing zoom in. So that's what that effect does. So there are different types of effect there. You can just play around with them. This is voice effects. You want to tweak your voice from a man voice to human voice to a baby voice, blah blah blah. You get to do that all this place. So check it out yourself. The next one here is what I call the extract voice. You want to extract your voice, so click on it now. The voice in this video has been extracted. See, extracted audio. Okay, extracted audio. So that's for that. And then the next one here, you want to replace. I'm going to undo. You want to replace one. Okay, Next one here, you want to mirror. Let's say you're looking at this direction and you want to mirror. You want to turn to the other direction. That's what you can do there. So guys, next one we have replace. You want to replace a particular video with that video already. So you go and pick that video you want to bring in. Let's say I want to bring in this particular video. You can see now it has replaced that old one there. So that's what it's meant for. This is called sleep. So we said that drag to select the portion of sleep that you want in your video. That's sleep. That means if you are editing a video and you want a particular part, you don't want all the parts. There's a particular part of in that video you really want, so you can sleep it, and that's how you get to take that part instead of taking the entire video. And the next lastly is duplicate. So guys, this is all about this app and making sure the video don't get too long. The essence of the video is to introduce you to this edit Facebook and Instagram app, and I hope this is already clear. I hope this video has really introduced you to this app. At least get started with it, start doing something from now upward. And other video, I would make a video, dedicated video, in order to talk about those particular functions. You get it now? How to use them. I'll be explaining to the in-depth. Thank you very much for watching to the very end, and I hope you gain value. If you really gain value, then make sure you subscribe so that you can watch other videos. Also, I'll be dropping other videos on video editing, most especially on this app. So if you want to export, what would you do? Come to this place. You can see 2K here. Okay, click on that 2K. You can see HD, 2K, 4K. This app is amazing. You can export in 4K resolution. This is amazing, honestly speaking, for free. So pick the resolution you want, then you click on export. So once you click on export, your video immediately will start exporting. So based on the length of your video, the duration, that will tell how the export will, how fast it will be. So you can see it's very fast, but if your video is lengthy than this, definitely it will take a longer time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment in the comment section below, and see you on the next one. Bye.